Hello friends, are you want to know the tricks about extension? Today's I'm here to learn you how to use Google Chrome extension on your Android phone. I mean you can use the trick on your any device, which is works with Android operating system. I will also show you how to active ad blocker extension. So let's start. It possible with extraordinary browsers. I know about two browsers which gives extension advantage. Yandex Browser and Kiwi Browser. I always advise to use lightweight apps, because it doesn't the cause of decrease your phone's speed. Now I'm watching you the size of Yandex Browser. Here is the size, it's 50 plus megabyte. Now I will show you the Kiwi Browser size. Its size is lower than Yandex Browser size. Here is the Kiwi Browser size. 42 megabytes. So we should use this browser to use extension on Android phone. So don't wait. Let's install the browser. Keep watching. It will take some minutes. Not only for extension feature, Kiwi Browser has more exciting features. You will love the browser. Wait a minute. Give it the installation time. At this moment, you should subscribe my channel. Just tap on the subscribe option. After watching the video you can write a comment. Think it, you have no loss if you subscribe my channel. You must use the like, comment, share, and subscribe option. Kiwi Browser is a Chromium-based web browser. It works like Google Chrome browser. And some of functions are follows UC browser. Kiwi Browser has also excellent and powerful ad blocking system. The browser can translate the web pages with Bing Web Translator. The developers makes the browser awesome. It has also night mode. In this browser you can easily add and use Chrome extension on your Android mobile. It's very easy to install extension with Kiwi Browser. Keep watching and learn. Installation is complete. Open the browser and watch how to install a best and top ad blocker extension with this browser. You may search extension on Android Chrome for this video. Maybe. Wait a moment. It takes time to load the interface and icons. The interface loading is complete. One of the best advertise blocker extension is Blocker Origin. Now I will search the ad blocker extension. Now simply open the link which start with Chrome. Something. Open the top search results link. Look the interface. It's same as Chrome browser's desktop view. Here you can see the details of extension. And you can add the extension. My internet connection is pretty slow, so it takes much time to load the full page. Sorry for this. Here is the extensions overview. You can read this to know about the extension. And the extension size is here. This extension size is 2 megabytes. We will use the option, Add to Chrome. Simply click on the option. It will start download the extension. Wait until it install. Click OK. The extension is downloading now. Just wait a minute. Download complete. See the option, Remove from Chrome. It means the extension installation is complete successfully. In the browser options, you will see the extension option. After installing the extension, you can control the extension from this option. You can active or remove extensions from here. For more advantage, go to Settings. Then click on Accessibility. And click on Show Extension first. This will help to use extension easily. Now you will see the extensions on this menu. To install any other extension, search the extension name on Google. It's very easy. Just try yourself. Thanks for watching the full video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Stay connected with my channel.